Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 garden hoses of 2024. We'll be exploring the best options on the market, examining their features, performance, and value. So let's get started and find the perfect garden hose to make your outdoor maintenance easier and more efficient. Enhance your gardening with Flexilla's ultimate heavy-duty garden hose. Its standout flexibility prevents kinks and tangles, ensuring easy maneuverability in any weather. The hose's abrasion-resistant cover and crush-resistant fittings promise durability, while the hybrid polymer material allows effortless coiling and laying flat without memory. Lightweight and easy to transport, it features a sturdy O-ring for leak-free connections and a safe inner tube for drinking water. Enjoy years of reliable service with this exceptional garden hose. The Yamatic heavy-duty garden hose is a top-tier, all-weather solution for residential and commercial use. It is made with innovative hybrid materials for flexibility and lightweight feel under pressure, allowing easy maneuvering in the garden. With a burst pressure of 600 psi and a working pressure of 200 psi, this hose is highly durable. It comes with heavy-duty solid brass connectors for a secure, leak-free connection. The hose is also environmentally friendly with recyclable materials and RoHS compliance, ensuring quality and functionality without harming the environment. The 2024 Pocket Hose Copper Bullet is a top-tier garden hose infused with copper and lead-free materials for safety and remarkable durability. Its tear-resistant polymer exterior is 3 times stronger than previous models, ensuring long-lasting use. The hose's interior features 3 layers of high-strength latex, expanding to a robust 3/4-inch size. Easy grip connectors and a textured surface make it comfortable and simple to use. Paired with the Copper Bullet sprayer, which offers 10 adjustable spray settings and an ergonomic, non-slip grip, this hose provides a stress-free watering experience. Say goodbye to kinks and slippery nozzles with the Pocket Hose Copper Bullet. The Bionic Steel 25 feet garden hose is constructed with commercial-grade 304 stainless steel for durability, rust-proofing, and resistance to leaks and punctures. Its flexible interlocking design allows for easy maneuvering, making it lightweight. The aluminum crush-resistant fittings and stabilizer collar ensure durability, while the on-off valve provides easy control. The hose delivers a steady, high-pressure water output and is memoryless, resisting kinks and coiling effortlessly. It can withstand extreme weather conditions for long-lasting use. The Cabose 50 feet garden hose is crafted from high-quality PVC, rubber, and reinforced woven wire, making it lightweight, flexible, and easy to drag. Its 3-ply construction withstands up to 150 psi and bursts at 600 psi, ensuring durability. Easy to wind and clean with a smooth surface, it features 10 watering modes for various tasks like watering flowers, washing cars, and bathing pets. The 3/4 anodized aluminum fittings prevent leaks and resist corrosion, performing well even in extreme weather. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave a comment below.